What is a customer success journey map? The customer success journey map is a lot like the idea of the product funnel. You need to know where your customer is going to know what to expect in the end. It might go something like this. Trigger. Something causes the customer to engage or buy so that they end up on your email list and in your product funnel. Onboarding. They are put into the funnel and start getting triggered email messages to move them through the product funnel to make more purchases, and then it starts all over. A sale. Within a day or two, or up to 3 months even, you want the customer to purchase something else or move up the product funnel. More sales. Hopefully, with the right education, the customer will buy everything in your product funnel, plus the complementary products and services you offer to them. When you map out the actions your customer may take and the results of these actions and how you can improve them, it will become clear about what type of content you need to make so that your customers will be happy and they will want to spend more money. You can also think of the customer success journey map as value advocacy and value growth. Some actions are advocacy like engagement, and some are growth like selling, implementing or upselling. It works like this. Customers find your offerings, customer evaluates the offerings, customer buys, customer experiences benefits, customer buys more. As you see, this is very much like a customer product funnel and the customer buying cycle combined. When you know where your customers are in each level and you know enough about them to get them there, you can really control a lot of the outcome for your business. Instead of blindly dealing with problems and putting out fires, you are proactive and seek to avoid problems by ensuring that your onboarding process is smooth and works well. Value advocacy consists of developing stories to support the customer discovery process and evaluation process. You start moving into growth once your customer buys, and the only way to keep moving forward is if the product is really good enough to wow your customer enough to want to learn more and to try other products and services that you recommend to them. Thinking about this in a formal way and how it all works together and drawing it out will help you in amazing ways. You'll increase profit, grow your business and make customers super happy. Match the actions with the place your customer is in and you won't regret it, because your business will explode above what you thought possible when your customers are happy.